And to quote Vinnie Jones in Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels, it's been emotional. Here we go. Finally, the review video, and I'm going to be talking about this kit and what went wrong, what didn't go wrong, and then at the end I'm going to let you know whether I would do it again or not, and whether I liked it or not. I was very excited when I got it, so because there was loads of footage and I wanted to make sure that I videoed everything. What I've done, you can see the unboxing video, and you can also see the full build video. And just to let you know, the full build video has been sped up to 6 times faster. So that's why it looks like I know what I'm doing and I know exactly where the bits are. Because I didn't. You do need to look for them. You do need to take your time and follow the instructions to a T. But let me talk to you about what was in the box and the whole process and what the good and the bad are of this kit. When you open the box is amazing and you get overwhelmed probably by the amount of wood that is in there, amount of wires, screws and little bits. It's just overpowering. But the instructions are amazing and everything is labeled in a way that is so easy to find. So if you follow the instructions correctly, you will get there, and they're easy to follow. Some bits go in and stick together better than others. The others, some of them you might need to apply a little bit of pressure, but also being very careful or not to break it, because some of the pieces are really small. Just to let you know, I don't know if it's something that it's in the UK or whether other people have experienced the same issue that I had, which is not really an issue, but the kit is meant to come with a wax. It wasn't in my kit, but it's okay, because what I did with previous kit, it happened to me before a couple of times, I think, with these sort of kits. And what I did, I've used wood balsam. This is really good. Oh, and it smells gorgeous, and it's good for your furniture as well. And what I did, I dabbed it on with a little cotton bud in the places where it was needed, but also sometimes I used it if the pieces were too snug. I did rub them down with like sanding them down, but also I just put a little bit of that just to make sure that they were going down smoother. So that's what I've done. The kit comes with plenty of spares, so don't despair, you've got the spares. I know that was bad, wasn't it? As I said, the instructions are really good, because what happens is you've got the sheets of wood, and all the sheets have got letters. You got from A to, I think it's K or something like that, and then all of the pieces are numbered. So like in here, not sure if you can see it. Can you see it's got letters and numbers? As I said, these are all the spares. On the instructions, it tells you all the pieces that you need. They're all labeled, so you can just pick them up, and this is what I've been doing. I've just been picking all the bits that I needed and then put them together. And also the beautiful thing is that for the little screws and all the tools that you need, They're all in little bags, and in here you've got like oh, what's the word for it? They're basically all catalogued, and it tells you in each bag what you can find, so they're all easy to find. But also, if some of the pieces are in the same bag, you've got the real size reference, so you just put it on there and just check whether is the measurement is the piece that you need, and off you go. Also, in this build you have QR codes for a little bit of a tricky build. So all you need to do, if you get stuck like on this point where you had to put the wire in, you can scan the QR code and you can see the video from Robotime on how to put it in, which is really helpful. And if you're watching my full build video, you can see that I've used it. I still managed to mess it up. I don't know why, but my wire got stuck, and when I went to plug it in, it was too short, so I had to take all of the back bit apart and put it all back together. But I got there in the end. So that was the content of the box and the instructions. And you also got few little tools that they can help you to build the full kit. But let's have a look at all the bits. The back bit, although it looks complicated, apart from the wire that goes in from, I think, this side, it's pretty straightforward, and it came together really easy, no problems at all. What I found really tricky, it was all the ramps and putting these bits on. That was a bit challenging. The stars on the board as well, I thought they were going to be more snug than what they were, and they just kept falling off. So all I did, I just put a little dab of PVA glue. Job done. All around. You really need like a tiny little bit, because underneath there's going to be the lights board, so that is going to keep all the stars in place. And then you also got to make sure that the surface is smooth, because otherwise you don't want to get the balls stuck. The crocodile was tricky, and what I found is that on these bits, the bendy bits were like really tricky, and I have broken a few bits. And also the back of the crocodile, I think I had to glue it back together because it snapped a little bit. This one, this bendy bit that comes out of the crocodile, the bendy bit, I would advise you to start putting it in from the side. Don't start from the edges. Start in the middle and work your way through, because when I did it the way the instructions are telling you to, I did break it and I had to start again. And also the crocodile, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got two parts, and on the instructions it tells you to put the bottom bit first and then to put this inside and then the top. I think if you watch my full video, my full build video, you can see that what I've done, I've put these bits on, the bottom bit on, and then expanded a little bit on that one side and put the little ramp in. So then I managed to squeeze it all together and put it on. Another bit that was tricky is to put the little ramp for the ball in. I broke that too. I broke both of them. But it's still working, and I still managed to put it, because it needs to be at an angle, and it's working. These little plugs on the flippers, they kept coming off whenever I was playing, so I just dabbed a little glue and stuck them on. And another thing that I had not an issue with, but when I was building it, one of these two side panels with the lights underneath, it just kept coming off. Not a major issue, because once you do it, you put it back together, and then you get to a point where you just put this panel on top, and then it's gonna hold it all together because it's got the screws. And apart from that, it's all good. Towards the end, once you plug in all of the wires inside, they get you to test the whole build, which is brilliant, and it all worked okay. The only thing I would say to you, just make sure that you've got 5-volt 2 amp adapter, because if you read the instructions, if you have anything different, that will compromise the sensors and the playability. I'm still having few issues, but since I got this, he works much better. And I had problems like on this ramp, when the ball went through, he didn't recognize it and he didn't score the points. And also, and he was resetting. It was a bit, it's working, but it wasn't 100%. And since I changed this, it seems to be much better. It's a bit of a hit and miss when the ball goes in, but that is when you lose the points, so I'm not too bothered about that. And that's it, really. Let me turn it on. The music can be a little bit annoying, but it gives it so much charm. It's part of the charm, and I don't know if you were like a child of the 80s. This just brings back some memories for me, where I used to go and sit there and just like bang, bang, bang on the flippers, on the buttons to move the flippers, which, yes, in Italy, at least me, I always push them at the same time. There's no right brain, left brain, none of that. So I can't be using one flipper and then the other. No. All at the same time, doing exactly the same movement. But hey ho, that's why I'm not good at it. Are you ready for this? Ta-da! It's brilliant. Oh, I gave my game away. Yeah, there's no denying it. I love it. I absolutely love it. We've been playing it a few times and it's so addictive. So addictive. And you've got the little drawer with the additional balls, which I find it so cute and amazing. And let me show you. So this ramp scores you, I believe, 100 points. That's it. The points are recorded in the background and you only see the lights light up when by 100 points at a time. So it's still keeping score, and once you reach 100, it will show you. And this ramp is 50. So if we do it twice, we should get another 100 points in there. That's it. We got another 200. I can't remember this ramp. I think that's 52. Yeah. So you get 50 points there, 100 points there, and 50 points here. And it goes without saying that going on to the ramps, at least for somebody who doesn't know what she's doing, me, it's extremely difficult. But oh my god, it's so addictive, so addictive. Not only it looks stunning and amazing, but it's just, it's incredible. I love it. And then you got this. I just absolutely love them. Look at this. Whoa. I just love them. It's just so cool. And it's so cool. It's got the little elephants. The little seal, I know, is there for a purpose, to make it harder for you to go on the ramp. But it's so flipping annoying. So annoying. It's so charming and it's so beautiful. And it's like, playing it is very addictive. And if, like me, you're a child of the 80s, well, this is for you, my friend. Do not deny. Don't be in denial. This is for you because it brings back memories, and really good memories at that. I wasn't good at it. I'm still not good at it. But I love it. I love it. And I'm hoping that playing it, I'm going to get good at it. But let's play it. Yay! Are you ready for this? Let's plug it in. As soon as you plug it in, it starts and it's beautiful. Look at that. All lit up and nice. And we're ready to go. Oh, so beautiful. as I said, it turns on straight away, and the little switch that you've got underneath the front panel is only to turn the music on and off. And at the moment, I've decided to play without the music because it seems to be performing better and the sensors are more responsive. So I'll try it that way, and it seems to be going well. Just to let you know, the bumpers at the back as well, they score 1 point every time you hit them, which is brilliant. And look at me, I'm so excited doing the voiceover. First time they do it. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, look at that. Do you see what I mean with the seal? I know it's there to make it harder, but so annoying. And I'm so desperate to trying to get on the ramps and clearly not succeeding. But, and there we go. And as you can see, the ball went in and they call it the energy point, and it takes away 1 point. Oh, 50 points! I got on the ramp. That's so exciting. But anyway, yeah, it didn't register. So as I said, I'm still trying to work out what to do with the power and see how I can make it better. See, it did register now and took a point off me. And also, he will take the balls. You start off with 6 balls, and then when it goes in, it lights up blue, it makes a little noise, and you lose a ball, and also you lose a point. Oh. Look at that. Watch me going and being so careful not to press the buttons to move the flippers both at the same time. It's like that, just I've done. It's so difficult, and try really, really hard not to do that. But I'm trying to get on the ramps. I think I'm too angry. Too much force. Oh, just to let you know, I sped up the game to 1.5. Just so it's a little bit more watchable. But when you're playing it, it's fantastic. I absolutely love it. I'm addicted to it. Whenever I get a chance, I turn it on and start playing. Oh, there we go. End of the game. I can't believe I've done 800 points. Let's turn the music on and see how we get on with that one. I'm not doing well, still not scored any points. Oh, this is brilliant. Oh, look at that! Watch me go! And oh my god, it didn't register. I really need to sort out the problems with the adapter. I don't know what to do. If you've got any clues or what you've used that actually worked and it worked better, please let me know, because I don't know what to do at the moment, apart from getting another adapter and try something different. But yeah, we do believe that is the music that might affect the sensors as well. I don't know. I'll have to try to work it out. I was going to say, look at me go. I'm not losing the ball, but I did. Oh, flipping typical. Oh, so close to getting onto the ramps. So close. game. Oh, this is fantastic. I cannot believe it. I've done that. Oh, so exciting. Ah, so I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope it has given you an overview of what to expect if you're thinking of buying it, and what the challenges would be. So if you have enjoyed this video, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe? Because I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be doing more of the Rokr and Robotime kits, because I love them. I'm so in love with them. But thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.